This video looks at the gold quadrant, its dimensions, and the lines on this sample map. The gold quadrant has two dimensions, finishing and evaluating. Finishing is about seeing tasks through to high quality completion. It is about paying great attention to accuracy, detail and quality and enjoying tasks that are intellectually challenging. It is about taking a conscientious and tenacious approach to detail and accuracy. The candidate's underlying map is just above the midpoint. The midpoint is shown by the blue dot. The candidate has a score of 60. This shows that finishing is neither a natural strength nor an avoided strength, but is a moderate strength. However, when you look at the adapted line, you can see that the score of 9 indicates that at times the candidate is adapting right back, and in effect at times is avoiding using this behaviour. The consistent line at 41 shows that for most of the time this behaviour would not be evident. PRISM does not provide the answers to why the candidate is adapting back, nor does it state whether this is right or wrong. These are areas that can be explored during the feedback session. Moving on to evaluating. Evaluating is about having the ability to make sound judgments unaffected by emotional pressures and by evaluating lots of complex details. It is about taking an analytical and logical approach to decision making. The candidate's underlying map is also just above the midpoint. However, the adaptation back to 43 is much less than on finishing, and the consistent line at 53 indicates that this is a behaviour that the candidate is comfortable using and will flex up or down according to the situation. With all dimensions, it is important to consider the impact of the introversion-extroversion score. This candidate's extroversion score is very high. Extroverted golds love sharing their thoughts and ideas with people and engaging others in intellectual debate. They are outwardly driven in their thinking and they need to make things happen. Introverted golds are very deep thinkers. They tend to live by their own intellectual formulas and expect others to fall into line accordingly. They become irritated when pressed into making a decision before they have time to fully consider all of the variables. The problem with introverted golds is that they do not find it necessary to communicate their thoughts.